Next, change of scale property. The statement is, if L of f of t is equals to f bar of s, then L of f of at, which is equals to 1 by a into f bar of s by a. This is your statement. L of f of t is equals to f bar of s. Then L of f of at is equals to 1 by a f bar of s by a. In the scale of property, what you are going to do, whatever it's given to you, it will be in the form of f of at. So instead of writing the direct one, what we are going to do first, we'll drop this a and we'll find what is our f bar of s value. Then later we are going to write that by the change of scale property, L of f of at is equals to 1 by a into f bar of s by a. Wherever the s is there, we are going to substitute with s by a and we are going to multiply with 1 by a. When we are going to solve that one, that should get back to the same formula what you have learned in previous one. If you will see one problem, it will be more clear for you. Children, one problem. Find L of sine square of at using change of scale property. Using change of scale property. When you are going to implement this method, when they are mentioning as a change of scale property, otherwise directly you can write up with the help of the formula. Now first, given f of t here, you are given f of t which is equals to sine square at, and where sine square at, how we can write sine square at in terms of cos. We know that sine square at, which we can write in terms of cos as 1 minus cos 2at, this whole divided by 2. Right. Now when you are going to take your Laplace transform on both the sides, applying Laplace transform on both the sides, L of sine square at, which is equals to 1 by 2, completely I will write out 1 by 2 of L of 1 minus L of cos 2at. Now I have to use a change of scale property to this function. When I am going to use this function, I will drop this 2a. Just I will consider as a t, I will consider from here. Now we know that L of 1 is equals to 1 by s, and L of cos at, which is equals to s divided by s square plus a square. Now what you are going to do here, you are going to drop 2a and just you are going to consider that t. So first we will solve that one. We will make this is equals to our equation number 1. Later we will substitute all the values. Now consider your f1 of t value is equals to cos t. Apply Laplace transform. Apply Laplace transform on both the sides. So L of f1 of t, which is equals to L of cos t. Now use that formula. What is your a value here? A is equals to 1 here. So it's going to be s divided by s square plus 1. This I will make equation number 2. To equation number 2, I will apply change of a scale property. applying change of scale property to equation number 2. What is our change of scale property? L of f of a t, which is equals to 1 by a into f bar of s divided by a. So this is my f bar of s. So wherever the s is there, I am going to implement with s divided by a. Now write that complete function is what here? The complete function is L of cos 2at. L of cos 2at, which is equals to 1 by. Now what is our a value here? 2a. 2a into s divided by 2a divided by s by 2a whole square, then plus your a square. A square is there? 1 it is there? 1. It's a 1. It's equals to 1 by 2a of s divided by 2a divided by s square divided by 4a square plus 1. Now how you are going to write? A by b by c by d, which is equals to a by b into d by c. That we are going to apply here. 1 by 2a into s divided by 2a into 4a square divided by s square plus 4a square. Did you got this one, this step, Aditya? You are there, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Did you understand this step? Or shall I show you that clearly?
No, you just did the full multiplication just for
See,
that.
this one, what I did
Yes, ma'am.
is
Ma'am, you just
here.
simplified the denominator, right? Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
we are simplifying the denominator. Yes, good. Now see, when you are going to multiply this one, this is going to be 4a square. So this and this will get cancelled. It's equals to s divided by s square plus 4a square. Now all these values I am going to implement in that first equation. Substituting all the above values in equation number 1, that is L of sine square at, which is equals to 1 by 2 of L of 1 was there. L of 1 is equals to 1 by s minus s divided by s square plus 4a square. That is your required solution. Or if not, if you want to simplify further also, you can simplify by taking again the LCM over here. When you are going to make a common LCM, which formula you are going to utilize? Numerator by denominator into LCM, which is going to be, it's equals to 1 by 2 of your LCM is equals to s of s square plus 4a square. Now first 1 by s into s of s square plus 4a square it is there. Then your this s and this s will get cancelled. Left with this one, s square plus 4a square. Then minus s divided by your second term, s divided by s square plus 4a square into s of s square plus 4a square. 4a square. So your this term and this term will get cancelled. S into s, it's a minus s square. So your s square will get cancelled. It's equals to 1 by 2 into 4a square divided by s of s square plus 4a square. Then 2 ones are 2 twos are. It's equals to 2a square divided by s of s square plus 4a square, which is your required solution. Yes, it's clear, Aditya, how to implement the change of scale property. All the steps are clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.